In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ManyChat to a Facebook page. By the end, you'll have your Facebook page linked to ManyChat, so you can start automating conversations and managing messages in one place. First, open your browser and go to the ManyChat website. Using a desktop browser works best for this setup, and it helps to disable any pop-up blockers just for the connection process. If you're already logged into Facebook in the same browser, keep that tab open. It makes permission prompts smoother later on. Next, sign in to your ManyChat account. If this is your first time, follow the prompts to log in. Make sure you're using the Facebook profile that has admin access to the Facebook page you want to connect. Only page admins can complete this connection. Once you're inside the ManyChat dashboard, look to the bottom right and click My Profile. This takes you to your account area, where you can manage all your connected properties and settings. From there, click Manage Accounts. This is where you'll see existing accounts and add new ones. It's a good place to confirm what's already connected before you proceed. Now click the New Account button. Think of this as creating a new workspace connection inside ManyChat for your Facebook presence. You aren't creating a new Facebook profile here, just preparing a spot for the page you want to link. Next, choose Create Facebook Messenger. This starts the official Facebook connection flow so ManyChat can integrate with your page's Messenger inbox. During the connection process, you'll be asked a few questions and prompted to grant permissions. Allow the requested access so ManyChat can manage messages, read page content, and perform the tasks needed for automation. You'll then see a list of your Facebook pages. Select the page you want to connect. If you don't see it, use the I can't see the page in the list option for troubleshooting guidance. Most often, the fix is to switch to the Facebook profile that's an admin or to adjust page permissions. If you need a fresh page, you can create one during this flow as well. Once you confirm your selection, ManyChat will finalize the connection. You'll be brought back to your account where the new page appears, ready to manage. From here, you can build flows, set up automations, and monitor conversations, all from within ManyChat. That's it. You went to ManyChat, signed in, opened My Profile, selected Manage Accounts, added a new account, and chose Create Facebook Messenger to connect your page. Follow these exact steps and you'll be up and running in just a few minutes.